In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine PDF files in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever juggled multiple PDFs, contracts, reports, scanned pages, and wished they were all in one clean document, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move from launch to merge in a few clear moves with tips to help you stay organized along the way. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Give it a moment to load. Starting on the home screen is perfectly fine. If Acrobat opens a recent file automatically, you can still follow along from there. Next, open the PDF document you need to sign in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you're here specifically to merge, opening any one of the PDFs you plan to include works just as well. This simply places you inside the app and makes the next tool easy to access. Now look to the left menu pane and click All Tools. From the catalog of options, select Combine Files. This tool is designed to gather multiple documents, PDFs, and many common file types into a single, orderly PDF. In the Combine window, click the blue Add Files button to browse for documents or drag and drop your PDF straight into the window. Drag and drop is especially handy if you've already collected everything in a single folder on your desktop. Add as many as you need. You can always remove or adjust them before merging. Once your files appear as thumbnails, arrange them by clicking and dragging to reorder. Place the first document at the beginning and continue until the sequence matches the story you want the final PDF to tell. Think of this like lining up slides before a presentation. To fine-tune specific pages, hover over any document thumbnail and click the expand icon, the one with two arrows. You'll now see all pages inside that file. Drag individual pages to a new position, even between different documents, to dial in the exact order. If you spot pages you don't want in the final PDF, click the trash icon to remove them from the merge. This removal only affects the combined output you're creating. Your original files remain unchanged. When everything looks right, head to the top right corner and click the blue Combine as button. You'll be prompted to choose how to merge. Select Combine Files into a PDF. Acrobat will process the files and produce one consolidated document, preserving your order and any page-level edits you made during setup. And that's it. Launch, gather, arrange, refine, and combine. With these steps, you can confidently merge PDFs in Adobe Acrobat Pro whenever you need a single, polished file.